In cities and towns of all sizes, when there's a need for electricity, T&R Electric is always there. Electricity is something most of us take for granted. And as the nation's largest remanufacturer of transformers, our customers know they can always count on us.
I worked with them because of the people. They're flexible, and I know that when T&R commits to doing something, they'll do it.
Oh, they're one of the top rewind facilities in the country. And they must be, because we're in South Dakota, and I'm in Florida.
We weren't always this big. T&R had humble beginnings in 1961 when Jim Thompson and Ken Ross were the company. They had 2 employees.
It's very humbling knowing that it was 2 brothers started a company by recycling batteries and transformers and then eventually becoming one of the largest suppliers in the world of remanufactured transformers. It's quite amazing to be a part of.
And you know, back in them days, it wasn't the money. Jim and I said, if we could clear $200 a week, well, that was good money. When the customer calls back and says, you got the transformer here in time and everything is working fine, and that's just the way we've done the business, is take care of the customer first.
T&R eventually moved down the street in 1973 and now has more than 221,000 square feet of manufacturing facilities on 61 acres.
Well, it's because we do good service. That's why we bought our own trucks. That's why we started our own lab for testing transformers. That's why we hired our own engineers. We have control of how that stuff's done.
We rebuild units with capacities of up to 138,000 volts and a base of 30 MVA. And because we are centrally located in the United States at the intersection of 2 major interstates, I-29 and I-90, we can get units to both coasts very quickly.
Yeah, we're located in the center of the United States. People know that we can provide that service to deliver a transformer to them next week or in a few given days. That's very important to the customer.
In the case of an emergency, T&R will come to your aid when a crisis occurs. Every minute counts when it comes to power and distribution transformers.
Whenever we have an emergency, they're easy to work with. I can have a quote back at the most an hour or 2. That's quick.
We had our main transformer at the school fail. We called T&R, they brought 2 transformers out. So we got the power back on before school the next day. So that's just one example of what they do to go out of their way to provide the service that they do for us.
When it comes to inventory, T&R has approximately 40,000 transformers in stock at any given time. We ship 16 to 20 truckloads per week of reconditioned and remanufactured transformers and switchgear worldwide.
It's pretty nice when you send transformers all over the world, especially during the hurricanes. We send quite a few pulmos to Puerto Rico just to get them up and going again.
We can save our customers 20 to 40% by building and providing dependable reconditioned and copper rewound transformers. Our rewind shop is climate controlled to ensure the best final product possible. And we provide a wide variety of products. Single-phase pole mount and pad mount transformers are available to meet your specifications. We also offer 3-phase pad mount and pole mount transformers.
You really can't get your head around how many transformers they have by looking at pictures. It's when you get in the yard and you start looking around that you realize how many units they have.
The ideal thing is to bring the customer here, let him see the facility, see where it's at, how it's being repaired, because bringing the customer here sells itself.
T&R also offers single and 3-phase substation transformers and provides repair of customer-owned units as well.
Like I stated, I'm in Florida. That's where we're at, and that's where we service. And when they have a failure, the fact that T&R comes and gets it and brings it back, repairs it, and then delivers it, all for the stated price, it works out great for us.
You can also turn to TNR for all of your switchgear needs. In fact, we carry equipment and replacement parts that original manufacturers no longer supply. We also offer new and rebuilt voltage regulators, along with single-phase and three-phase new and reconditioned dry-type transformers. And our testing is done with state-of-the-art equipment. Every transformer we recondition or rewind comes with an unprecedented 3-year warranty. TNR's in-house lab offers a full line of services. Proper testing can minimize costly downtime and maximize the life of your transformer, regulators, and other electrical apparatus.
We're unique because we have our own in-house lab along with our own transformer repair facility where they don't have to outsource that testing through another lab facility. We can do that right here for them. So not only can you just send your samples here, but if there's something wrong with a sample, something wrong with a transformer, we can fix that for you as well.
Over 50 years of experience with the design and production of power class transformers enables us to maintain our place as a leader in the remanufacturing industry. We understand that our success is based upon our commitment to building relationships and providing quality service to our utility and industrial customers.